Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to create a reverse string program. So this is the by default structure of any console page. So now what we will do, first we will create a string with name original str string, and our string name will be good morning everyone. Now next we will do, okay, so for when we create any string, then sometimes someone want like just print a string in lowercase, or sometime like we have both the things, uppercase and lowercase letter in this string. So if required, then we can use this option like to convert into lower string. So this is how we can convert it into lower string. So this is not mandatory, but whenever this is required, then we can use it. So once I execute, we'll show how it will work. Now next is we need one char array. Original string dot. Now this string is converted into char array. Then next is we'll use the reverse array method. Then next is we need another string. The above one is the original string and this is the reverse string. Now this is the by default original. So what I'm doing here is like, first I will print the original string and after that I will print the reverse string. So you just need to, if you want same copy of any line, then you just need to press Ctrl D, and if you don't require, then Ctrl Z. Yeah. So now my program is ready. For now, okay, I'm not using, okay, we'll show you both the options. First I will execute this program. See, original string is good morning everyone, and reversed string is this, reverse of the above line. But guys, you have noticed one thing, that everything is in lowercase letter because we have used that to lower option. So if you don't want to use that option, just comment it and save it, then it will show the exact line as it is. So see, so this is how it works. Thank you.